What are you doing, Molly? Hey. Hey. Molly. Molly. What are you doing? Are those Mommy's cookbooks? All over the floor? Oh, I get some too? Thank you. Oh, Marley heard the squirrels. Hey. You're making a big mess. Are you at least going to pick something good to make for dinner? Some of those are heavy. They're going to hurt your toes. Wow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huh. What? What are you doing? Did you get them all yet? Just a few more? That one's heavy. That'll hurt your toe. That one's heavy too.